Today I'm going to show you how to download your files from Etsy on your phone, not desktop. I have another video on desktop, but today is about the phone. We're going to go to Etsy.com, so not in the app, but actual website of Etsy. In the top right, you're going to hit the profile icon and go to view your profile. It's going to pop up to open the app. You don't want to do that, so you're going to hit the X. Then you're going to go to your order. And you're going to scroll down a little bit and you'll see a black box that says download files. Here is the how to save money in 30 days printable. Then we're going to hit download files, and then there you can see the PDF and it's going to bring it up and you can save it right there onto your phone. And again, this is how you save the files from Etsy right on your phone. I have another video of showing you how to do it on desktop here.